Hi, I'm True Beauty expert David Pollack from JustAskDavid.com, and today I'm here to talk to you about red marks from epilation. So believe it or not, you're going to be surprised by this, but if you've got redness, it's actually a good thing. It means your epilator is actually pulling the hair out from the root. I know, it sounds funny, but if you shave, it's cutting off the hair and you're not getting it as far down. So pulling out of the root may be a little problemsome for a short period, but it means you're not going to have to do it as often. So it's a good thing. But what can you do to reduce the redness? Well, first of all, before you use the epilator, get in the bath. Soak your legs in warm water, not hot water. Hot water is only going to open the pores and strip the skin of its natural moisturizers. When you get out, use your epilator. Next, I want to calm the skin, but you can't do it for at least 30 minutes. Allow the skin to calm down, allow the pores to go back to normal. Then you want to use a lotion. When you wake up in the morning, that redness will be gone, I promise. But now let's talk about how you can make your own lotion and save a lot of money. First, take a little bit of beeswax, a little bit of wheat germ oil, a little bit of coconut oil, and some aloe vera. Warm it up in a pan, use a whisk and beat it up. And next thing you know, as it cools down, you're going to have a nice body lotion that's going to help reduce redness. It's going to help soothe the skin and nourish the skin. I'm True Beauty expert David Pollack. Until next time.